Hello everyone, me music guru Bharat Mainali sir is in front of you, sitting, attending in a music class, and hope you are also enjoy sitting in front of me and sitting in front of me and today class is about Rupak Tal and diagram. First of all, Rupak Tal frame is that it is of 7 bit, and the Rupak Tal. Let us we comparison Rupak Tal to the uh, to school, and Rupak Tal, if it is school, then it consists of 3 room. Rupak Tal school consists of 3 room. Uh, that is, it consists 3 vibhag. I mean to say, and so first room consists of 3 bit, and second room consists of 2 bit, and again third room consists of 2 bit. Then if we comparison this Rupak Tal according to number system, according then it is framed as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 in this way. Whatever process till now, but the process is this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is a mind frame of Rupak Tal, and by practicing this, as we feel that this is easy, but if we are doing simultaneously Sur and Tal itself, when we perform Tal itself, we feel easy. Yes, Guru Bharat Mainali is saying very much easy thing here. We feel like that. Bharat Mainali sir is giving us very much easy advice here. Tal, Rupak Tal. Do you want to see? Let's see one time. Let's see. One time show your face. So, yes. Okay. Thank you. So, Bharat Mayali is giving, sir is giving very a simple lesson, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and but this is not simple, because when if we go simultaneously, don't do only face, okay. If you want to see with face, then see, but if you do not want to see, then stay here, okay, listen, okay. And okay, I am saying, so if we go through simultaneously Sur and Tal, if we go through simultaneously Sur and Tal, and if we perform simultaneously Sur and Tal, and it is going to be difficult. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 simultaneously Sur is running. So this is the outline of Rupak Tal by saying by my mouth, and what imagine is create in your mind. Imagine of Rupak Tal is in your mind, that the 7 frame of Rupak Tal. Rupak Tal is that school which consists of 3 room. Is that means first room consists 3 bit, second room consists 2 bit, and third room consists again 2 bit. So this is all about Rupak Tal, and by saying by my mouth. Now by showing diagram here, I have make diagram here. So this diagram is here. So diagram is clear about Rupak Tal. Yes. Okay. So please you can clip this by screenshot. You can take this diagram of Rupak Tal, and that is not up one, down one table is Rupak Tal one, and first room consists of 3 beat, first, second, third beat, and second room consists of 2 beat, fourth and fifth, and third room consists 6 and 7. So this is all about Rupak Tal, and that is first beat it consists of Khali, and in fourth and in fourth beat it consists of Tali, and in sixth beat, sixth position beat, it consists of again second Tali. So this is Rupak Tal structure mind frame. So don't check, please stay silently. So here the clip, and here is a diagram of a table. Here is a diagram of Rupak Tal, table of Rupak Tal, and we can understand by this showing a table also. And but we have to practice more and more. This 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So Tali Khali we have performed yesterday, but this is the diagram of Rupak Tal, and so to this much. So hope you will find this Rupak Tal by clicking, by capturing with the help of screenshot. Yes, with the help of screenshot we can take this Rupak Tal, and here are my students, music students, and learning music, and they are disturbing me. Don't disturb. Yes. So because music, it is broad area. Music, if we learn music, then our vocal is very much strength, our health is very much good, we can fight with the disease, our lungs, our heart should be very much pure. If we do daily riyaz, daily riyaz is essential for singer. Daily riyaz is essential for singer. Daily practice, daily sa. I would like to flash out one secret thing of mine, that if I do not do music for even in only 2 days, then I will be sick. So this is one of my great secret. So no secret we call. So pronunciation we have to pronounce very much correctly. Secret. See, one my secret is that if I do not do 2 day only music, then I will be ill. I have to take to hospital. So because why this is because all this set is setting by music. From early in the morning my timetable. Your timetable also. Please your timetable also you maintain your timetable in music. We should wake up early in the morning. Sound little bit. Yes, we should make our routine, daily routine. We should always wake up at 4 o'clock, and we should practice chorus note. That below sa we should practice, and to make our vocal strength, to sing ghazal, to sing modern song, and we should practice more chorus swar. That class also I will bring, and from sa to I have given in another video also, that last time video also I have given that from Madhya Sa to Tar Sa, each and every note we should practice 5 minutes. Each swar each note we should practice 5 minutes, and altogether in that way we should do the riyaz early in the morning. to make our vocal strength very much strong. And another thing is that we have to listen. So our listen more, listening, because mouth is given to sing a song, and the work of music is not only by mouth, work of music is by ear also, and by mind also. Because if we hear more and more from ear, the English proverb is that we should listen at first 100, and then only we should express 10. So if we listen 100, out of 100 we should only express 10. So today I'd like to say this thing, and our music classes regularly from episode first to episode this 21. Today's episode is 21 episode, and I think it also very fast, very soon the episode is now it would become 50, and it will be 100, and many more students, music lover should get advantage of this music class that perform. And now recently we are managing better and better in our music class to to run our music class. First of all, we need support, and support should be this humble request that support, we need support, and from each and every last time we said that from one house one candidate of music. Then if, and we see the result after 10 years, after 15 years, if we learn music, one house one candidate to learn music. Then so this the mind setup is coming. So one house one candidate to learn music, and after 10 years, after 15 years, we can change society, we can change our habit, we can change our good habit we can make in our mind. So music sorry why music is not only we it build musical knowledge, it make our personality, it make our it is the medium that we can on economic factor, we can sold our economic in foreign country. If we riyaz, if we maintain our riyaz from now, many more are now involving in virtual. Today only I am hearing that our Ragini Idol winner Anis Limbu, our Ragini Idol, and Rompam finalist, again he is competing one of great program that what that the program name I forget, but he is now still he is in music. That means that singing idol, voice of idol, what this all reality, this only success when we are in music, when we are our that the vocal is good, our that the vocal cord is very much strong, that fine. And if we know technique, if we know, if we are we say that fruit is only ripe, we say that fruit is not only ripe. Vocal should be also ripe. Fruit is not only fruit is not ripe, vocal is also ripe. If we do regularly riyaz, then our vocals should be ripe. And we are singer. We can face situation. We can address ourselves. We can defend ourselves. In group, it is very easy to say, but when we defend individually, then it is very difficult. So to defend by self defend, to defend individual, then what is the medium that we must have to learn the music, otherwise there is not option. So by saying this much, today I have not sing a song. Again, if another one song of Sthai, I would like to sing a song. खुशी छु म आज. Let us first fix. सा प सा रे ग म प सा प म प म ध प प ग ग प ग ग सा रे प म ग रे सा. खुसी छु म आज तिमी भन्दा धेरै, तिमी हाँस्दा लाग्यो यो खुसी हो मेरै. खुसी छु म आज तिमी भन्दा धेरै, तिमी हाँस्दा लाग्यो यो खुसी हो मेरै. So by singing this, today our class will closed, and very much happy. I am very much happy that you connect with this music group, music to YouTube, and music video, and music class. And episode was this full episode of 21st episode, and by giving me such a precious time, giving us a precious time, and view my YouTube, my view over the music. So I'd like to say this much, and tomorrow again we will meet in episode 22. So till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. So I'd like to say bye bye. At last again I'd like to say bye bye. Thank you.